Hello everyone, I am Samin and I am going to make a volcano.
Sand volcano.
Sand volcano.
First of all, you need to put the container about 2 tablespoons of baking soda.
아빠 너무 많이 써.
Yep. Put it in. Cool. And then add 1 tablespoon of dish soap.
One.
But instead of spoon, we're gonna put some dish soap in the container.
Instead, we're gonna use the dish soap instead. Without the spoon.
Cool. Yep.
Cool, that's cool.
Put this in and watch that. What's the next one? 5 drops of red
Now-
food.
Now,
Okay.
아빠 나랑 gonna do
Yep.
it.
You do it by yourself. Come on.
아빠 여기 뭐?
That's fine. Come on. Come on, make more. I think more. Yep, more. A little bit more. Yeah, make it much like darker. Come on, put some more.
So,
Stop. Cool. Yeah.
Mix it.
now we need
Yeah,
to
you
mix
need
it.
you need to mix it
Ah.
with a spoon.
Wait. Now that's good.
Good. I think we need to put some more baking soda.
Yeah, I think some more. Yeah.
Yep. Stir.
Mix
it up.
Mix.
Cool. Finally, last one. It's time to for the
Apple.
eruption.
Now time for the eruption. It
Okay.
is
You can put it in for half of cup.
This
More.
is vinegar.
That's the vinegar. Good.
no.
And wait. Oh, look.
Look,
It's erupted.
it erupted.
Oh my god.
This is so
It's
dangerous.
exploded.
It exploded.
Yep.
Don't try this at home. It may be dangerous. Now that's what I call a volcano.
Finally, you made it, Sammy.
Oh. Now volcanoes made. Warning, do not try and make this at home. It may be dangerous or it might explode in your face.